Today, the name of the book which I selected for today's presentation is Think and Grow Rich. This book is written by Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill was born in 1833 in Vice Country, Virginia, and died in 1970 after a long and successful career as a consultant to leadership. Then Hill established a non-profit educational institution whose mission is to promote his philosophy of education and self-achievement. The secret of Think and Grow Rich is that your thoughts controls your mindset, which creates your reality. The technique to put your thoughts into a right mindset to influence the creative matter to know what you want to achieve it. The way to become successful is to know what you want to achieve it.
Okay, 1 minute was a short time, but I appreciate that. The book choice is good and you got the book as well.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.